Spelling your name in the snow with your own urine is one of the simple joys of growing up male. It's a little more difficult than many people realize, because the snow starts to melt as soon as your stream hits, which necessitates a few changes in tactics for different varieties and depths of snow. When I was about 7 or 8, I made a point of developing these different tactics. I didn't realize it at the time, but I was turning snow peeing into something of a subtle science. Unfortunately, I couldn't experiment as frequently as I would have liked, both because finding spots to discreetly pee was a bit of a challenge, and because excessive hydration leads to clear urine, which just isn't as impressive. Besides, it's a little difficult to feign innocence when your parents can clearly see your name spelled out in the snow. Still, I was a wily enough child to figure out a way past that problem, and I took to spelling other names with my organic ink. I had learned that swooping, curved letters were easiest to write, which is probably why Sam and Bob were frequent visitors to the backyard. Before the winter was over, I was a skilled enough scribe to spell much longer words, and for my magnum opus, I decided to write the longest name that came to mind. In retrospect, I realized that I should have given it a little more thought. But at the time, I was incredibly proud of what I managed to accomplish. When I eventually got caught, I couldn't understand how the deed had been traced back to me, nor did I understand why my father had thought that the name was so goddamn funny.